Bookmark function. The second symbol from the left is the bookmark symbol. Clicking on Add Bookmark opens the following screen. In the title field, you can give your bookmark a name of your choice. If you do not enter a name, the field contains the question text. Confirm with OK or return to the previous screen with Cancel. If you press the Select Bookmark submenu next to the bookmark icon, the following screen opens. Under Bookmarks by topic, the topics to which your bookmarks belong are listed. The Latest Bookmarks option shows you all the bookmarks you have created. Under Latest Bookmarks, you will find a list of questions sorted into topics. If you tap on one of these topics, only the bookmarks that belong to the respective topic are listed. Commentary function. If you do not know the answer to a question, you can click on the commentary symbol. The correct answer will be marked green. You will also find an explanation. Statistics function. A very helpful function will be shown when you click on the statistics symbol. When you click on this symbol, you will be shown statistics about your learning success up until now. At the top, you can see a total score of your progress. Below that, the individual topics are listed. You therefore have very detailed statistics on how many questions you have answered in total or in individual topics, and how many of them were answered correctly. Full version. If you want to download all tutorials, click on the download symbol on the start page. You will then see a screen with the various categories. On the top right-hand side, you will also find a choice of languages. Clicking on a particular category will download the questions onto your device. Select a category and then click on Start. As all questions are available in the full version, you will be asked on the following screen to enter your user ID and password that you received after purchasing. The user settings are also only available to you after login. After doing so, click on the blue tick on the top right-hand side. What to do if you do not have login details? If you do not have any login details, you have two options. You can purchase the box product together with the 3D simulator in a store, or purchase the product online by clicking on No Login Details. Order them here. Once you have successfully logged in, the full version with all questions will be available to you.